Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. I'm so glad you're here today. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating connection between gut health and weight loss, breaking it down into easy-to-understand chapters. So stay tuned until the end. You won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is gut health? Before we dive into the weight loss connection, let's first understand what gut health means. Your gut is an incredible ecosystem, home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. This collection of bacteria is called the gut microbiome. The good bacteria keep everything running smoothly, from digestion to brain function. But problems arise when things get out of balance. Modern diets filled with processed foods and antibiotics can disrupt this balance, leading to weight gain and cravings. Bad bacteria thrive on sugar and processed foods, hijacking your cravings. Chapter 2. How gut bacteria affects weight loss. Now that we understand gut health, let's talk about its impact on weight loss. Your gut bacteria play a crucial role in how your body extracts energy from food. Some bacteria store food as fat, while others help burn calories. If your gut is dominated by fat-storing bacteria, you might gain weight even if you eat the same amount as someone else. Studies show that people with more Firmicutes bacteria tend to gain more weight because they store more calories as fat. Chapter 3. The role of inflammation in weight gain. Another way gut health affects weight loss is through inflammation. Bad bacteria can cause chronic inflammation, making your body resistant to insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance leads to increased fat storage, sugar cravings, and a sluggish metabolism. Feeling bloated or experiencing sudden weight gain could be a sign of inflammation caused by poor gut health. Chapter 4. Foods that improve gut health and support weight loss. Focus on foods that nourish good bacteria while starving out the bad ones. Probiotics like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir are packed with beneficial bacteria. Prebiotics found in garlic, onions, and bananas fuel your good bacteria. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains and vegetables promote a balanced gut microbiome. Fermented foods like miso and kombucha help restore gut balance. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil reduce inflammation and support gut function. These foods create the best environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive. Berries, rich in antioxidants and fiber, help reduce inflammation and support a healthy gut lining. Green tea contains polyphenols that act as prebiotics, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Dark chocolate, high in flavonoids, can enhance gut health by increasing the diversity of gut bacteria. Chapter 5. Lifestyle changes for a healthier gut and weight loss. Your lifestyle plays a major role in gut health. Manage stress with activities like meditation or spending time in nature. Prioritize sleep to maintain a balanced gut microbiome. Regular exercise promotes a diverse and thriving gut environment. Stay hydrated to flush out toxins and support digestion. These habits create a healthy, balanced environment for your gut bacteria. Avoid smoking, as it can harm your gut lining and disrupt the balance of bacteria. Limit alcohol intake to prevent inflammation and maintain gut health. Practice mindful eating to improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Incorporating these lifestyle changes can significantly enhance your gut health and support weight loss. Chapter 6. Key takeaways and final thoughts. Your gut microbiome plays a major role in weight loss. Bad gut bacteria can lead to weight gain, cravings, and chronic inflammation. A healthy gut helps burn fat, keeps cravings in check, and reduces inflammation. Eating probiotic and fiber-rich foods supports your weight loss goals. Managing stress, prioritizing sleep, exercising, and staying hydrated contribute to a healthy gut environment. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider ensure your gut health is on track. A diverse diet promotes a robust and balanced gut microbiome. To summarize, Focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, hydration, and regular checkups to support your gut health and weight loss journey. Chapter 7. Gut health myths debunked. There are many myths surrounding gut health. One common myth is that all bacteria are bad. In reality, your gut needs good bacteria to function properly. Another myth is that you can fix your gut health overnight. It takes time and consistent effort to improve your gut microbiome. Some people believe that taking probiotics alone will solve all gut issues, but a balanced diet and lifestyle are also crucial. By understanding and debunking these myths, you can make informed decisions about your gut health. Chapter 8. Gut health supplements. While a balanced diet is the best way to support gut health, supplements can also play a role. Probiotic supplements can help introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. Prebiotic supplements provide food for your good bacteria. Digestive enzymes can aid in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. However, it's important to choose high-quality supplements and consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Chapter 9. Gut health and mental health. Your gut and brain are closely connected through the gut-brain axis. A healthy gut can positively impact your mood and mental health. Probiotics have been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber and fermented foods can support both gut and mental health. Managing stress and getting enough sleep are also crucial for maintaining a healthy gut-brain connection. Chapter 10. Gut health and immune system. Your gut plays a vital role in your immune system. A healthy gut can help protect against infections and illnesses. Probiotics and prebiotics can boost your immune response. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports a strong immune system. Avoiding processed foods and sugar can prevent harmful bacteria from weakening your immune defenses. By taking care of your gut, you're also supporting your overall immune health. Outro: Unlocking Weight Loss, Gut Health Secrets. By focusing on gut health, you're setting yourself up for natural long-term weight loss and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Body Making Health Management for more tips. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.